What's up, guys? Today we are finally working on the BMW. I know it's been a minute since we've touched it, but we're actually going to do a bumper install on it. I've got a brand new M3 bumper, well, M3 replica bumper that's been sitting, waiting to go on. I've just been prepping parts for the engine. The parts that I do need to get the cam installed and all that aren't here yet, so I've just been prepping stuff for paint. Got kind of bored, looked over, saw the bumper was there, decided it'd be a good time to do an install. So let's get after it. So what I first want to start off with is the headlight washer covers. Just go ahead, get a plastic pry tool or just try and get up under there with your fingers. Lift that up, pull. And once you get it out, you guys will see that there's two tabs. There's one on this side, one on the other. You just lift up and it's really that simple. See if I can get it to focus real quick. There we go. Ish. These two tabs right here, just pull out on them and it'll pop right out. Alright guys, I'm going to try and get in here as best I can. You're going to want to remove that top screw right there. That one right there. And then there's a third one back. Sorry, it's hard for me to get the camera back here. Right there. Now you guys don't have to, but I did just to make it easier. I did jack it up, and it is a good idea to turn the tire in so you can get there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these screws out and I'll show you what to do from there. Alright guys, I got those 8mm screws removed. What you're gonna do is you're gonna pull this liner back. I can't really show you guys right now. Let's see here if I can get some light up under there. You can kind of see there's a metal bracket right up here. There's gonna have two 8mm screws in it. Once I get those removed, I'll show you right where they're at. So what I was trying to show you is there's gonna be one right there and one right there. You can kind of see up under there now. Next we get to remove these top four. There's gonna be 1, 2, 3, and 4 Torx screws. It's a T30. We'll get these removed. So now we're moving to under the bumper. There's more 8mm across the bottom. As you can see, some of mine are missing, so that's cool. We'll get this taken off and go from there. The bumper should be ready to come off now. Disconnect the fog lights. And the bumper is off. So out with the old and in with the new. Now it's pretty dusty, like I said, it has been sitting for a while. And I did plasti dip it just to protect it because it is winter. Now I'm just doing a quick test fit to make sure. Okay guys, I got a little ahead of myself. I did forget to mention that this bumper did come with larger ducting. I do believe that that's for the brakes. Here's the stock one right here. And here's the aftermarket one. Now I'll show you how I remove that. So we will not be using the fog lights. Let's see if I can get up under here. Now there's another 10mm right there. And then you'll have to get to this, 8mm. And then there's another one right there. So you just have to get back from the back side. Now I'll get these installed, then we can get the bumper on. Round 2. Yeah. Alright guys, I've been having a little bit of fitment issues, but that's pretty standard with any aftermarket bumper, really. As you guys can see right here, this actually made it much easier. I just took the fender liner and stuffed it behind the tire, and it actually held it just enough to where I could get these bolts back in. I will be just bouncing back and forth. The next one, which the bumper should be on, my battery is dying, so I just need to get this side fitted, get the bottom screws in, and hopefully she looks good. We did it. Got the bumper installed finally. It was only a minor pain in the ass. If I could give you guys any pro tips, I would suggest getting these set first. Getting the screws that go in here first. Obviously, get the camera to focus. These screws up here to hang the bumper, but like I said, get these in first and then work from the top down. I do wish that I could have recorded everything, but like I said, the battery is dying, so I'm going to try and make this short. I also recommend maybe having 2 people do it, like have someone help you out to hold parts of the bumper in place, because you do need to push down here to get it up, like all of that. And then the pan screws were kind of a pain trying to get the bottom of the bumper flush. But other than that, let's drop the hood. Look at that fitment though. Even though the car is nasty dirty, it is winter, so. And those headlights. I will have a video on how I'm gonna fix those headlights. Also, I don't know if you guys heard me say, but the front bumper is plasti dip just to protect it. The coat that came on it. Also, the spring, the whole car is going a completely different color. We'll probably get some side skirts for it, do some different things, but that'll be the spring. Also, now I'm kind of dreading taking the bumper back off because I do have an upgraded intercooler for it and piping to go along with the tune that I will be doing. There's plenty of things left for this car. I just wanted to make sure and get this in because I feel bad for the BMW fans that are here. It's just been mostly about the truck, but I do need to get that going because this has been our main vehicle right here. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below. And as always, have a great night.